Welcome to the DUOONE OLED Dual Screen Monitor tutorial. In this video, we'll cover the DUOONE's one-cable setup, how to connect various devices, including smartphones, PCs, and game consoles, and explore different dual display modes. This tutorial also applies to the span and fold models, offering the same versatile usage and features. Let's take a look at the ports on both sides of the monitor for easy device connectivity. On the left side, you'll find two mini HDMI inputs, Input 1 and Input 2, perfect for connecting gaming consoles, laptops, or other HDMI devices. Next to them are two Type-C inputs, supporting power delivery and video transmission for a one-cable setup with modern devices like smartphones, laptops, and mobile game consoles. The Type-C inputs also support touchback functionality. The Type-C PD power input is only needed if your source device doesn't provide enough power, making the DUOONE even more portable and convenient. We'll demonstrate the one-cable setup later in this video. On the right side, you'll find the Signal button, OSD Menu button, and the PD power button. These well-placed ports make it easy to connect multiple devices, enhancing both productivity and entertainment. In the next section, we'll dive into the OSD menu to customize your display settings. Now, let's explore the OSD menu. Simply swipe with two fingers from the bottom right corner, and the menu will appear instantly. Adjust settings like brightness, contrast, color space, color temperature, view mode, language, duo display modes, audio, eye care, crosshair overlay, OCR enhanced text mode, HDR, screen rotation, and menu settings, all with just a tap to optimize your viewing experience. For precise color tuning, dive into advanced settings to customize the display to your exact preferences. To enable or disable HDR, just tap the icon, and the monitor will restart into the corresponding mode. Effortlessly switch between input sources and fine-tune duo display mode settings for different play modes. The intuitive interface makes managing your dual-screen setup seamless and efficient. DUOONE offers 4 versatile duo display modes to suit your needs. Clone mode, both screens show identical content, perfect for presentations or sharing. Flip the upper screen with one button press. Expansion mode, extend your workspace across 2 screens for multitasking or immersive gaming. Sequence mode, merge both screens into one ultra-large display for seamless content flow. Standalone mode, use each screen independently, connecting 2 devices for maximum flexibility. Whether for gaming, work, or entertainment, DUOONE puts full control at your fingertips. Connect 2 smartphones via Type-C or mini HDMI inputs, and activate standalone mode for independent screens, ideal for Duelplay or competitive gaming. For touchback functionality, simply connect via a USB-C cable. The dual-screen setup delivers smooth, responsive action for an immersive experience. Gather your friends, connect your devices, and dive into unforgettable multiplayer gaming. With the DUOONE OLED monitor, it's time to take your gaming to the next level. The DUOONE OLED monitor is perfect for Nintendo Switch or mobile console gaming. Whether playing solo or with friends, the dual-screen setup elevates your experience. Flip the upper screen using the OSD menu or by long pressing the Signal button. Switch to tent mode for Duelplay or head-to-head gaming, giving each player their own screen, smooth, responsive, and fully immersive. Tent mode isn't just for gaming, it's also great for meetings or collaboration, offering everyone a clear view. With the DUOONE OLED monitor, versatility meets performance. Connect your device, flip the screen, and unlock endless possibilities for work, gaming, or play. Unlock sequence mode on the DUOONE OLED monitor. Merge 2 screens into one ultra-large seamless display, perfect for gaming, work, or entertainment. Activate it by tapping the sequence icon and connecting your PC, laptop, or smartphone via Type-C or HDMI. Enjoy a wider field of view for immersive gaming or maximize productivity with more screen space. Experience the future of dual-screen displays with DUOONE OLED. Simplify your setup with the DUOONE OLED monitor's one-cable connection. Just use a single Type-C cable to connect your PC, laptop, smartphone, or game console. No extra power adapter needed. This is perfect for gaming, work, or entertainment. Wherever you go, the DUOONE OLED is ready to elevate your experience. With its one-cable, portable design, enjoy a clutter-free setup that's simple and easy to use. Dive into immersive gaming or boost productivity with a dual-screen display that adapts to your needs. The DUOONE OLED monitor, where convenience meets excellence for gaming and productivity. Thanks for watching. Have more fun with the DUOONE OLED span and fold monitors.